Oh, I didn't see you there. Hello, my name is Presley. You might be wondering how to use the tackle from your mystery tackle box you got. I'm going to show you how today. Come along. We're going to use the Kuma Samar reel for 4.5 foot Cabela's ultra light rod. It's all the way up there. First, we are going to get some baits real quick. It says Presley, like my name. I got this for Christmas. Let's see. We're gonna use our soft plastic baits here. We're going to use spring jig. This is all the tackle we got in our mystery tackle box. Here's some pegs. I guess you remember those. Here's the setup we're using. We're just going to tie a polymer knot on this. All right, there it is. Now we're going to show you how to cast it and catch a fish. Ooh. Okay, so we're going to catch a fish. We're on the bank right now, so we're basically on somewhere in the middle of the river. So what we're going to do is cast left or right, and then when the current's going, that means that when there's going to be fish. First, we're going to open the bail, and then you put it behind your back, like this. Then you kind of like get in a position like this, and then kind of get some line back. And then you're ready to catch some fish. You gotta jig it a little. Oh, yeah. Got a good one. It's fighting a lot. It's giving me some good head shakes. Oh. This guy is a 10-pounder. He's really heavy. Pull up and reel down. Oh. Gosh, grab the net. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Fresh Alaskan salmon. Thanks, Cash. Welcome. Oh. This thing's a toad. Gotta kiss your fish after you catch it. Now we're going to measure it on our mystery tackle box. This puppy's about 7 inches. Ugh. Ugh. Not big enough. Now I'm just going to put this toad back in its natural habitat. I hope this was helpful, and thanks for joining me today. See you on the next episode. Bye. Bye. Don't they hear that we're doing a video? Your dad? We're doing a video here.